Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Sunday, January 19th. I just brushed my teeth. I woke up a bit late because I wasn't feeling well, like belly that hurt me and it waked me out of my sleep. So plus me did I really go to my bed late. So what time is it? So it's almost 10 o'clock. Got up about after 9. Brush my teeth. I'm about to have my devotion. And then I'm going to put on the peas because I'm putting rice and peas and fish today, and I'm going to exercise. If you want to see my my little home workout with Grow with Joe, then you can check my previous video out. It hasn't been uploaded as yet, but by the time you're watching this video it would have already been uploaded, so you can check that out after you're finished watching this one. And then I have a birthday party. My church sister invited me to her husband's birthday party, so I have that later today, so I need to cook and do all that I need to do and then get ready for that. So yeah, stay tuned for the vlog. I'm trying to end it today because again I'm trying to be consistent with this daily vlogging. So yeah guys, stay tuned and I hope you'll enjoy the video. Rice is done. I'm about to fry the fish now. I would have fried it already, but because I was editing the previous video, the previous vlog that you would have watched before this one, if you haven't watched it yet, go ahead and do so after you've watched this video. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly fry the fish because it's 2:30 something, and I'm going to the birthday party, which is at 3:30. I must reach exactly 3:30, maybe 4 or so. And I wanted to go over the video again to see if I missed anything or need to add anything, and then I'll export it from CapCut. So time I want to get it off of my phone because I don't have enough space. But this is a fish. I'm not going to do all right. I'm not going to do all right with me now, but because my brother was here but he left. So I asked him to go cook so much rice. If me didn't know me not cook so much because I don't want it spoil. But me not do all of the fish. Yeah. Guys, me don't even know if we're going to birthday party, but you'll see. Me go try look something for wear now. Gravy. It look redder. That's a sure word. We color look brighter in person. Off camera. Now it looks so on the camera. But dinner is done. My dog got the lettuce. My husband almost eat it. Maybe when I share my food, me put it on it, but him not eat it all the time. So if he want, he can get it, but maybe not. He maybe not go want it, but I'm not gonna eat now. Alright guys, so I finished cook. I'm going to go ahead and get ready now. My husband should be on his way home because he go on the road good while now. So I go try go and ready. Look something quick for wear before him come. So when him come, because you not take no time for ready. Maybe take longer time. Maybe don't not take long, but you know, meals, a lot of meals, most meals don't take a long time to get ready. So I go get ready and then yeah, I feel like I'm gonna just down and relax a bit, but after it's 3, so I have to get the ball rolling. And what my dog gonna say? Oh, I did want to edit the video. I don't know if I said this already. I did want to edit the video before finish edit it and export it before me leave, but me have a couple touches to the panel, so me now get for bad to do that. Hopefully me not have too much of a storage issue whenever I'm ready to export it. So yeah, I'll show you what I'm wearing once I'm ready. For his Jolly, watch out, me I go put them on my vlog on YouTube. So he just go skip. Good morning guys, so I have an appointment that I'm rushing to in Mandeville. I'm running not really late, I'll be fine, I'll reach on time. It's an 11:30 appointment. So I'll do my best to vlog. I mean, I might not be able to like show you where I'm going. So I'll do my best to vlog and then I'll close out the vlog. I'm literally hurry up and drink a tea so I can't leave out. Watch him. If you follow me everywhere me go. But if you hold on, because them can't go. Obviously come in and taxi with me. Hello.
We have so much options: pineapple chicken, stew pork, jerk pork, stew beef. Yeah. The pineapple chicken is like stew chicken. And it's like
Yeah, barbecue fry. Mary Fanto?
yeah, we put some.
Barbecue fry.
Smaller, not barbecue.
What's your price? What's the price?
1,012.
I was on a small the coffee box. Yeah, the 1,000. The 1,000. Oh, they have fries? What kind of soup you have? Cow skin. Okay. Thank you.
Only person who have disturbance is she.
What?
Yeah, because I disturb her.
I hope to dash from me no want no disturbance. Tell a friend no. I go have disturbance. You take some more disturbance? Thank you. Sir. Carmen?
Whatever. Say it again.
Ooh. So guys, I did the hungriest man. But now my sister would say if I die it's not from hunger at all. If I die it's not from hunger. So me I want to go pick up something. So I bought food at Nashville and I'm walking out to pick up something. So Yeah. And then I'm gonna go home because it's been a long day. I know you're not see me good because the sun is hot and based on the angle of the phone, but I know you're not hear me. If you drive fast on the road, you see? I'm Sling. Need to cross now because people drive like them mad. You're just a bike here.